guys, I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh things, whatever. Okay, so for this you would need, sorry for the background, talking or whatever, Elmer's glue, all liquid glue, Play-Doh, and that's pretty much all. And wet ones to clean up. Now, to make this, you'll have to pick a Play-Doh. Okay. After that, you form it. Okay, you form the Play-Doh. You form Play-Doh, and you would need a bunch if you want to make something different. You form the Play-Doh, okay? After forming, yay! I turned this into an X. Yep, an X. Because my name. So, yeah. Or, okay, that's my brother. Sorry. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, now, you will need to glue all this stuff. You need to put glue all over this thing. Now, it might turn kind of white unless you have clear glue. Okay, you'll need to get real messy. So get ready to get all messy. Put it on your hand. First you put it all over that, like little strips of cinnamon or something. Then you put it all over your fingers, and your finger. Then you start rubbing it like that. And it might turn kind of white when you do this, but yeah, whatever. Okay, then when you finish with the front side, you'll, ow, this might be kind of hard. Okay, and don't let it dry before you do the glue part. You might need another part of it. You'll have to do the back too, so do it like a cinnamon thing first. Oh, and you'll need a flat surface that you could clean up easily, okay? Okay, and then you'll do the back. Do the back, 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 do the back. Okay, and then you have to do the little corners right here. Like I have little corners, so you'll have to do that. And just put some glue in there, and then rub it. And yeah. You do that, and yeah. Okay. After gluing, you'll have to wait 1 day and 1 hour. So after 1 day and 1 hour, it will turn into this hard, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, I still need to wait. Okay, so then if you're still in the gluing part, just, yeah, try to keep doing that stuff. And yeah. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is going to be a new show that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be called How To. Yeah, that's what it's called. How To. And stuff. My brother just brought in the control, and I don't want him to. Okay, so, yeah. Stop, Christian. Okay, so, yeah, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this. No. And, yeah, bye guys. Yeah, this might be kind of hard turning off my camera. So yeah, and then you clean up. That's why I told you that you need wet ones. So yeah, it should be turning off in 3 minutes, so I'm just gonna wait that long. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still doing this. Now, if you have squishy glue like mine, it's like super squishy. I mean, super squishy Play-Doh like mine. It might take a while on turning it. So yeah, I didn't really think this through because I didn't know it would be like that. Okay, sorry. Your glue might get really messy and all dirty and stuff, but don't worry, it doesn't matter. Okay, 2 minutes. I'm just gonna try turning it off. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this.